Hi, this is Pam, Flower Patch Farmhouse, and today we are going to collect some foxglove seeds so that we can plant them in other portions of the garden. This is mid-July, perfect time to plant them in the ground because they will germinate. The hummingbirds are flitting around here. They will germinate, start to grow, and overwinter, and then next spring you will have foxglove flowers. So let's get to collecting seeds. So here is the foxglove we are going to take our seeds from. If you notice, and let me zoom in for you. Excuse my chickens. The seed pods, these are where the flowers were, are drying and splitting open. That's when we want to get them because we know the seeds are ripe. So what I'm going to do is I have this little leftover container and I have my cutters, and I'm going to come along and just trim off these into my tub. Now sometimes all I do also, if I have a ton of the foxgloves to collect from, I will just chop off the stalk, and I will zoom this down for you. I would just chop the stalk off down here, pick it up carefully, and then shake it over the area that I want to seed. Now I will do that. This one has plenty of seeds on it, and I have others next to it for more seeds. So I'll show you how I do that rather than getting the lid. You can see here, getting the little seed pod. You see in the very bottom how the seeds have been falling down in there. Right there's the seeds. So you can go along and carefully collect that way. Again, here's a few more. Or I will go ahead and chop. All right, here is the stalk, and I have chopped it. Some of the seeds fell out. That's very, very delicate. And now I will show you where I'm going to shake it. Let me move over. Now the sun's coming out, so it's a little crazy as far as the light. But back here along the fence is a spot that I would like my foxgloves to come up next year. So I'm just going to tip this over and shake it right there. And then I chop portions of the stem or the stem and leave them there. That way if there's any left in the stalk, then it will go on the ground. I don't know if you were able to see that because I see I have one big foxglove in the way. But basically you get the idea. It's not hard to do. You just take that stalk carefully, keep it upright so most of the seeds stay within the pods, and then you shake it over the area. Now those will grow during the summer and then over winter in the ground, and then next spring they will bloom back by the fence line. These ones were a little further forward than I wanted. I didn't realize how they would obscure other things, or maybe I did and I didn't care at the time. I just wanted them to go ahead and bloom there. But anyway, so that is how I save seed of foxglove and spread them in the garden. The ones I capture in my tub, which I accidentally spilled mine, the ones I capture in my tub I take to other areas. Now here's this one. And there's bazillions. I mean, there's millions and millions of seeds in this. And up here they're greener, so I can harvest those another time. Now this is an open pollinated foxglove, so the foxgloves I get from it will not necessarily be the same color as this plant was. It can have flowers in a lot of different colors, the whites, the lighter pinks, the fuchsias, and anyways, when you catch them at the right time, you can get a lot of seeds to swap, to replant. And also, if you collect them before they fall on the ground, you're not going to have foxgloves coming up where you don't want them. So I really hope you found this video helpful in what to do with your foxgloves after they've bloomed and gone to seed, and how you can get more for next year. So, and the year after, for that matter. So I hope to see you in the next video.